So this is my 2016 bike check. I'm riding the Sub Rosa Arm with the crackle with green and purple. Riding the Shadow Conspiracy Sim Bronco tires, 2.30s. The S&M holder grips. I ride a top load salt stem. Also the sprocket salt times the Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. And then a free agent back rim. I usually ride both cassette and free coaster. And who knows what the fuck this tire is, but came off King Curb. I ride the Rat pedals. Pretty sucky as you can see. And hit up Dance Comp for best bike parts. Because all of this is from Dance Comp.